In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop images in Figma. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, mastering this simple skill can greatly enhance your workflow. So let's dive right in and get started. First and foremost, you need to open Figma, the collaborative interface design tool. You can do this by navigating to figma.com on your preferred web browser. Once there, you will see an option to log in at the top right corner of the screen. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, but today we are focusing on those who already have a Figma account. So go ahead and click Login to access your dashboard. Upon logging in successfully, you'll be directed to the Figma home screen. This is your central hub for navigating various design files and projects. From here, look for the design section in your workspace or project where you have your files stored. Click on this area to open up the design files where you will perform the image cropping. Once you've accessed the design file of your choice, you'll need to select the image you would like to crop. You might have to zoom in or out to find the exact image you want to modify, but don't worry, Figma makes it easy with intuitive zoom functions. Click on the image to select it. Now that your image is selected, direct your attention to the menu on the right side of the screen. You'll see the fill option. Clicking on fill will toggle its settings and allow you to see various options pertaining to how the image is filled into its frame. In this expanded menu, you'll notice several options like color, image, and so on. Click on image and then you'll see a drop-down menu, which includes an option called crop. By clicking on crop, you activate the cropping tool for your image. With the crop tool now active, you'll observe that a bounding box appears around your image. This box allows you to manually adjust which segment of the image you wish to highlight by dragging the corners inwards or outwards. Once you've settled on the desired crop, simply click on another area outside the image to set and save your adjustments. And there you go, you've successfully cropped an image in Figma. Remember, if you ever need to make further changes, you can always reselect the image and adjust the cropping area to better suit your project needs. Practice this a few times and soon cropping images in Figma will become second nature. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial made it easy for you to grasp the process. Happy designing!